Hey guys, wanted to go ahead and go over an issue here. If you have issues with crackles, pops, and stutters in your audio, this is a solution that has worked for me, and maybe it might help you as well. I'm going to make the assumption that you've already done everything. In other words, you went and you changed your sample rate and your buffer size, because sometimes when you change it too low or too high, it adds the crackles. My magic number, I usually like to go 44, 256. But if you find that it's still having an issue, usually it's one of two things. Sometimes I'm not imagining things. Sometimes Windows makes an update and it actually messes up your drivers and things start messing up in your audio. The second is sometimes it's actually not even related to your audio. Sometimes it's actually your graphics card, and and okay. And so what I'm trying to say is this person got 431 upvotes because tons of people found his post really helpful, and it is a game changer. So there's a program called LatencyMon, okay? It's a very weird program when you look at it, and that's why I want to discuss about this with you, because I'm trying to tell you that this is actually legit. It looks really funny, but it's legit. So you go ahead and click here, LatencyMon, then you go to download, you go to free downloads, and then you go ahead and scroll down. Like, they have all these other things here. I don't know what the hell it is, but you're going to see LatencyMon 7.31, right? And when you go ahead and you install this, you're going to get something like this. Now, if you have issues with your audio, so for me, it's working, and it's because I fixed it. But if it's not working, you're going to see this is red, and it's going to say this is a problem and affecting your audio. And what's kind of interesting is if you temporarily disable whatever they're telling you is a problem, you suddenly are going to realize you're no longer getting crackles. You're no longer getting issues. So often what you'll find is, for me, I found that it was actually an NVIDIA driver that was actually causing problems. And once I disabled that, my audio was still fine, and it didn't affect my gaming, oddly enough. So if this is a really short video. I'm making the assumption you've already done everything else possible and nothing else is working, and this is what will work. So hopefully that was helpful for somebody, and we'll go from there. All right, you guys have a great one. All right, bye.